A YouTuber was making a prank video in a Virginia mall. He said the prankie took it badly and shot him. And he's like, no thanks, not today. Get out of my way.
Pranks.
Are pranks coming back?
There are pranks in short content.
Tanner Cook of Classified Goons said the shooting suspect didn't take the joke very well. Cook, who was in intensive care, said he will continue to make pranks. All right. A 21-year-old man said he was recording a practical joke for his YouTube channel in a mall in Virginia when a prankee, that's the person getting pranked, got mad and shot him in the abdomen. Guy was ready to go. Jeez. The bullet pierced his stomach and liver. He remains in hospital following surgery. I was playing a prank, a simple practical joke, and the guy didn't take it very well and shot me. His YouTube account has 40,000 subscribers, posting videos of him playing pranks on members of the public, going behind the counter at a fast food restaurant, trailing strangers in stores, and pretending to vomit on Uber drivers. In earlier videos, his victims became aggressive and even called the police. Cook's family told WUSA that the footage is now part of the evidence against Colley, 31, who was charged with aggravated malicious wounding, shooting in the commission of a felony, and discharging firearms within an occupied building. So right in the mall, he's like,
yeah.
Despite his injuries, Cook told WUSA that he intends to continue making prank videos. You want to go to the channel? I mean, I guess you kind of have to at this point. Go to Classified Goons on YouTube and see what that's about. Fake Target employee prank 7 days ago. All right.
You want to watch it?
Yeah. Go ahead.
All right, Courtney. That's your name?
Yeah.
Courtney? Courtney? What day is this for you? Oh, you work here at this?
Hey, something I can help you out with at all?
Push your hand.
No, I'm good.
All right, so here's the deal. I've been always wanting to do like a fake employee prank. I'm gonna go to Target and do the fake Target employee.
He looks.
First, gotta grab these.
Oh, did he just get shot?
Someone sent me some name tags.
This is Tanner Cook.
Yeah.
He does not look shot there.
I guess the video didn't go out.
Yeah, but we're just trying to get a sense for what these videos are like at this moment.
Don't record her. Don't record her. Don't record her.
I'll break your camera then. Can you stop recording me before I break your camera? Okay, I'm trying to be nice, but I'll break your camera. I'm about to punch him in his face.
He's pretty focused on.
I don't give a fuck. I will break.
That's his Infinity Stone. Wait, that's his Infinity Stone. He's trying to destroy the world right now. That's his Infinity
He's about
Stone.
to go to jail because I didn't give him permission to record.
Oh,
me.
yeah, hey, don't record. Yeah, that's not fair.
No, I'm about to. You about to go to jail now because I'm about to call fucking man.
Okay.
I'm about to break your camera now because I asked you to stop it out. It's okay, police about to be right here.
Okay.
Okay.
No, I only met him today.
Okay, you gotta go forward to the actual prank here.
I don't think he gets shot in this video. Does he?
No. Never mind. We just want to see people's reactions if anyone gets aggressive or if he takes it too far.
Well, that security guard got pretty aggressive.
Here you go.
No.
Can we just be friends?
Oh, we can be bestest friends.
Can I get your number?
Outside of the store. No.
Seriously?
Huh?
All right, I'm gonna have to just light it real quick.
No, outside of my store, Holmes.
Sorry, you can't smoke in here.
Excuse me.
You can't smoke in here.
All right, we're spark. And real quick, it's not like
This one is mostly just pretending to work in the store with a red shirt
just a hand. That's all.
and just smoking cigarettes.
I'm not giving you my hands for that. You need to help the guests. That's why you need.
All right. Okay. Yeah, we're good.
Got enough? Yeah.
What do you mean?
Well, good luck to him. I mean, pranks. Still a thing.
Okay, so pranks are making a comeback. Is that what it is? Pranks, YouTube pranks are coming back.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
I think it's always lingering.
Okay.
Not like back in the heyday.
But pranks are always lingering.
Yeah.
Yeah.